Vintage cherry housings with Aristotle stems.
My favorite switch is the Mod L tactile switch.
Mod M.
Kale red low profile.
Akko Trues.
Matthias Quiet Click. Zandos, which are Zelio stems and panda housings with a 67 gram spring.
Rubradome.
Cherry MX Green.
Cherry MX Blues.
Kale coppers.
My favorite switch is Topre.
62 gram vintage flex.
Topra 55G.
Probably Zelios 65.
55G new vintage blacks.
My current clicks.
I like MX Clears the most because I type really heavily.
My favorite switches are MX Blues.
Cherry MX clears.
Hi, I'm Zeos. My favorite switch is
Chilios.
Topra. 62 gram Ergo Clears.
Zelios.
Kale white clicky.
Topre. 67 gram Zelios.
Topre.
MX Cherry Browns.
Zelios. I only use Gator on blues.
Tauper.
Panda Clears.
Zelios.
So my favorite switch is 65 gram Zelio Stottle, which is you take a 65 gram Zelio and you take out the purple stem, the tactile stem, and you put in the clicky stem from an Aristotle switch, and it makes a really nice crisp click and has a really nice feel.
Blue Elves.
Wait, what's a switch?